Fordow is gone. Natanz is crippled. Access destroyed. The centrifuges cut off from the world above. The B-2 Spirit flew 18 hours in silence and erased what Iran spent 20 years building underground. But here is what nobody is talking about. Iran knew this day might come, and they prepared for it. Not with fighter jets, not with aircraft carriers, not with anything that looks like conventional warfare. Iran prepared with something far more dangerous. Asymmetric weapons, precision missiles, drone swarms, underground arsenals buried deeper than any bunker buster has ever reached. The question is not whether Iran is finished. The question is, what did they keep hidden? These are the 5 Iranian weapons that could strike back against America, ranked by threat level, range, and the sheer damage they could unleash if Tehran decides to answer Operation Epic Fury. Let's count them down. Number 5. Shahed-136 Loitering Munition. The world already knows this drone. Ukraine knows it. Israel knows it. The USS Abraham Lincoln knows it. An F-35 shot one down in the Strait of Hormuz on February 3, 2026. But here is the problem. Iran has thousands of them. The Shahed-136 is a one-way kamikaze drone, cheap to build, hard to detect on radar, and devastatingly effective in swarms. Each one carries a 40-kilogram warhead. Individually, it is manageable. But Iran does not send one. Iran sends 100. Against a single target, 100 Shahed-136s is not a drone attack. It is a missile barrage with wings. US Navy destroyers burn through interceptor missiles at $2 million per shot, trying to down $20,000 drones. Do the math. Iran spent years perfecting this weapon for exactly this moment. Number 4. Fattah 110 Ballistic Missile. Short range, devastating accuracy. Road mobile. The Fattah 110 is Iran's precision surface-to-surface ballistic missile, capable of hitting targets up to 300 kilometers away with GPS-level accuracy. It does not need to travel far. Iran's neighbors, hosting US bases, are well within range. Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar, Ali Al Salem in Kuwait, Al Dhafra in the UAE. Every American forward operating base within 300 kilometers of Iran is a potential Fattah 110 target. And because the launcher is road mobile, you cannot destroy it before it fires. By the time you find it, it has already moved. Number 3. Emad Ballistic Missile. Now the range gets serious. The Emad is Iran's first precision-guided long-range ballistic missile with a range of 1,700 kilometers and a maneuvering warhead designed specifically to defeat American Patriot missile defense systems. It does not just fly in a straight line. It maneuvers on descent. That single capability changes everything. Patriot systems are calibrated to intercept predictable ballistic trajectories. The Emad breaks that calculation deliberately. Iran tested it, Iran refined it, and Iran built it specifically because they studied how America defends its bases. 1,700 kilometers reaches Diego Garcia's neighboring installations, Israel, and every US asset in the wider region. Number 2. Kheibar Shekan Missile. The name means castle breaker. Iran named it that for a reason. The Kheibar Shekan is Iran's most advanced, solid-fuel ballistic missile, faster to launch, harder to intercept, and carrying a warhead capable of penetrating hardened military infrastructure. Range, 2,000 kilometers. Flight time to target, under 10 minutes. 10 minutes is not enough time to scramble aircraft. 10 minutes is barely enough time to sound an alarm. When Iran launched Kheibar Shekan missiles at Israel in April 2024, the world saw exactly what this missile can do in a real engagement. And that was a warning shot. Iran held most of them back. Those missiles are still in their silos. Number 1. Fattah Hypersonic Missile. Nothing on this list compares. The Fattah is Iran's hypersonic missile, traveling at Mach 15. 15 times the speed of sound. No intercept system currently deployed in the Middle East can stop it. Not Patriot, not Iron Dome, not THAAD. By the time radar confirms the launch, the Fattah is already at your door. Range, 1,400 kilometers. Speed, Mach 15. Intercept probability, near zero. Iran revealed it in 2023. The West watched nervously. Then, Operation Epic Fury happened. And suddenly, everyone wants to know, did Iran fire the Fattah? The answer to that question could change everything. 5 weapons, 1 nation, 1 burning question. Operation Epic Fury destroyed Iran's nuclear program, but it did not destroy Iran's ability to respond. The next move belongs to Tehran. This is HyperFlight Saga, where history is written in contrails and jet fuel. If this video hit different, subscribe, because the next one is already coming.